Kia today has revealed the 2021 Kia Stinger with a facelift. The biggest news is the introduction of a new turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine exclusively for the North American market. It's a 2.5-liter unit benefiting from a direct injection and produces 300 horsepower at 5,800 RPM and a peak torque of 311 foot-pounds of torque at 1,650 RPM. Step up to the twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6 of a Stinger GT and you'll be rewarded with slightly more power than before. The engine itself has been carried over, but there's a new electronic variable exhaust valve system unlocking an additional 3 horsepower for a grand total of 368 horsepower, accessible at 6,000 RPM. Torque remains unchanged at 376 foot-pounds, available from 1,300 RPM. The 6-cylinder engine provides a more aggressive soundtrack courtesy of a small butterfly valve in the exhaust that opens when the car is in the sport driving mode. Switch to Eco or Comfort and the exhaust note is quieter. The 2021 Stinger is keeping the entry-level 2.0-liter engine with 251 horsepower at 6,200 RPM and 260 foot-pounds of torque at 1,400 RPM. Regardless of the engine you go for, all three are connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission to emphasize the vehicle's GT nature. The mid-cycle update comes with additional benefits as Kia's excellent blind spot view monitor is being added, showing video feed straight into the digital instrument cluster. In addition, the 2021 Stinger adds safe exit warning, lane following assist, highway driving assist, and rear occupant alert. These join the previously announced novelties, including the 10.25-inch touchscreen optionally offered alongside a standard 8-inch setup. The driver's display, in its basic form, switches from the old 3.5-inch monochrome screen to a 4.2-inch color display, but you'll probably want optional 7-inch full digital setup. Depending on the market, the Stinger will come with some new features, such as remote engine start and the possibility to use Kia's UVO app to preheat the seats and turn on ventilation remotely. The 2021 Kia Stinger will go on sale locally in the third quarter of 2020 with global markets to follow by the end of the year.